Information from the Defense Ministry is with us. Operation Sindoor has this time, with visual evidence, knocked out a bunch of buildings, 9 targets, all of which were within 9 to 30 odd kilometers from our line of control. So it's evident this time that our fighters did not enter Pakistani airspace. They fired our Astra and similar missiles from BVR, that is beyond visual range. And maybe the Bahawalpur strike, which is about 100 kilometers from our border in Pakistani Punjab, maybe that too was fired with fighters operating within Indian airspace, or maybe one of them did intrude into Pakistani airspace. What this also means is Pakistani air defenses probably didn't fire at fighters, Indian Air Force fighters, which did not enter their airspace, or maybe it did. We don't have that information as yet. But if they did, we should be finding wreckages of missiles which missed in our Indian soil, and I hope our Defense Ministry will treat us to those images. I hope we are not fed images of wreckages of Indian fighters from foreign media. Well, that job is done. Pakistani air defenses, for whatever they're worth, probably didn't do their job. Now it's the time the Pakistani general staff sitting in Islamabad, their corps commanders, now they will strike. Of course, they will return the favor. It needs to be seen how our S-400s, which we purchased at a great sanctions cost from America, our purchases from Russia, the S-400s, let's see how they perform when the Pakistani Air Force returns the favor. Of course, they too may strike from beyond visual range, from Paki airspace. At that time, what do our generals instruct our air defenses? Would we take out Pakistani fighters which have not yet intruded into Indian skies? Well, it needs to be seen. There are so many more issues, including the targeting of non-military targets. We've made a big noise about taking out only terror camps. Well, if they take out civilian buildings supposedly housing terror, Baloch terrorists, so many others sitting in India, how would we treat that as intrusions into our sovereign space? Well, these are all grey areas lost in the fog of war. What needs to be now focused is how will India gear up to retaliatory strikes?